running your own business.
All right, so the most challenging thing being an entrepreneur, you got to do everything yourself. Oh my God, you are self-driven, okay? If you're not self-driven, don't even think about being an entrepreneur, all right? You see, you're working for somebody for 8 hours. You do not work for 8 hours, yeah? You work for 12, 13 hours when you're working for yourself, okay? Yeah, when you decide you want to take 2 to 3 hours sleep per day, yeah, then you decide to come here and become an entrepreneur. But this is not for the weak, all right? Next thing, yeah, a lot of locals don't like to support locals, yeah? There are very few locals that support locals, all right? Yeah, they like to ball your price down. How the hell can I be having all these talents, yeah, and when I give you my price, you want to ball it down? That doesn't work. This has taken years and of experience and cooking and burning up rice and flour and stuff for me to be giving it you perfect. Oh my God, yes. So to be honest with you, it's really rough, all right? It's not easy. But if you really love what you're doing and you want to pursue, you know, a business or whatever you want to endure in the business, you can do it. But it's not for the weak. Oh my God.